My name is Bridget O'Carroll. I am the founder of Studio Qila. This is the right way with Well+Good. And today I'm going to show you the right way to do a plank to pike. It's really tough to get your lower core to do your core work. And plank to pike is an amazing way to get into your lower core. First, I'm going to show you the 3 most common mistakes I see with plank to pike. First, a common thing I see is sinking into the shoulders. Another one I see is hips sinking down into the ground. And the last one I see is putting too much weight in your feet behind you. Now I'm going to show you the right way. Go ahead, press out into your plank position. Roll your shoulders down away from your ears, and I want you to actively press into your palms to hollow out your chest and almost separate your shoulder blades or your scapula. Then point your toes, that's important, and lift your hips, keeping all of your weight forward in your wrists, in your palms, and come back down nice and slow. It's slow, it's controlled. You come up just as high as you can, and on the way down, I want a nice long line from your shoulders down to your toes. Your hips aren't sinking down. It's up slow, down slow. And now you'll be a pro at the plank to pike. For more right ways, subscribe to Well+Good.